Quest 2, my current VR headset. This fucking unit, just like, look at that. But yes, okay, so you'll see at the bottom, that's that side, there's a donation goal now because of a project that I want to work on that I've had kind of sitting around for a while. The donation goal is both supporting the project, because it does actually, I'll get to the details, but also like gauging interests. So if people would actually be interested in streams and videos about the project. So let me grab it. So most of y'all probably know I'm pretty big on VR. I think VR is pretty cool. Let me move my chair over this way. And just before I moved back to Melbourne, I got very lucky in finding this piece of vintage VR hardware for quite cheap. So it's one of the first consumer VR headsets that was released in 1995, and it's not in the greatest condition, so I would love to restore it. I haven't looked at this in a long time, so I am worried that it has deteriorated more, but we'll have a look. Not a Virtual Boy. Virtual Boys already go for so much fucking money. That's not happening. There we go. So the plastic is actually like in pretty good condition, but the foam, kind of hard to see because the light's quite dark, but the foam's falling apart, and the headphone cushions and stuff. And I also need to figure out if I can make it work. I was gonna put it on my head, and I was like, do I want to do that? I don't think it'll even fit. I think my head's too big. Yeah, that straight up won't fit on my head. It's a cool little collector's piece, and I want to restore it. But yeah, no, that box is filled with like even my hands now just covered in like the deteriorating foam bits, and yeah, it's been on my list of things to do for a while. So if people want to donate towards that, or even just let me know that you're interested in a video about it, I will move forward more with that project. Come on, get in the box. Probably the most expensive part of the project is going to be finding a computer that can actually run it. But yeah, so I want to restore that. That's my current project. Interesting. I like VR stuff. Actually, let me grab my current VR headset so we can compare the size. Quest 2, my current VR headset. This fucking unit. Just like, look at that. That is a massive difference. So it's gonna be a big project. I want to do videos on it as well, because I think it'll be a very interesting process. So yeah, that's a project I'm very excited about.